Welcome back to Drive Domination. Today, we're looking at a luxury SUV that blends comfort, performance, and everyday usability in one powerful package. This is the Mercedes GLC, six-cylinder performance variant from Mercedes Benz. At first glance, the GLC looks confident and modern. The wide grille, sharp LED headlights, and clean aerodynamic lines give this SUV a strong, premium presence on the road. Now let's talk about what really matters. Under the hood, this GLC comes with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline six-cylinder engine. It's not just powerful, it's incredibly smooth and refined. With around 375 horsepower, the response is instant. From standstill to highway speed, this SUV moves fast, and it does it effortlessly. Even though it's a practical family SUV, the performance feels surprisingly sporty. Thanks to its intelligent all-wheel drive system, traction and stability stay strong in every situation. Rain, sharp corners, or fast highway cruising, the GLC remains confident and planted. Step inside, and you're welcomed by true modern luxury. A fully digital cockpit, premium leather seating, and customizable ambient lighting create a calm and high-tech environment. This doesn't feel like a normal SUV. It feels like a moving luxury lounge. The steering is precise, the suspension is perfectly balanced, and road comfort remains excellent. Whether it's daily city driving or long-distance highway trips, the GLC feels easy, relaxed, and confident. The six-cylinder engine sound is refined, but still sporty when you push the throttle, exactly what you expect from a luxury performance SUV. If you're looking for an SUV that offers power, luxury, advanced technology, and everyday practicality, all in one stylish package, then the Mercedes GLC six-cylinder is easily one of the most balanced luxury SUVs in its class. This is not just about comfort. This is Drive Domination.